Okay, so we made it to the top and we're near the shelter and we were standing on this overlook. We just kind of went to the side and decided to look at this overlook, so I'll show you what the overlook. Hold my pulse.
Sure.
It's pretty much awesome. I mean, I don't know how it's going to come out on camera. Woo! Oh, that wind feels good.
Yeah.
See a golf course. I see a big lake. I see 3 big lakes. Man.
There's some in the distance too, Olaf.
Yeah, and there's mountains just stretch out there.
Wow.
Oh man, that's awesome. All right, to the shelter.